on. Actually, my job today is to rinse our bike. Yeah, let you see. Let's rinse our bike, guys. Already clean, guys. Yep, I think this pocket also can be more clean, but yep, it's that is it. We have really less tool here, really limited tool, and yep, it's already okay. Now let's get some shower and bring this bike into bike shop, and we want to change the bar tap. Gonna lie, guys. Berapa nih? 7 kita. Ini si bro kita. Ini abang Da Faisal, capek mampus. Bro juga punya kamera, jadi ada kegiatan dah sekarang. Morning, guys. Actually, I just want to continue what we are doing right last night. I want to show you. I already made like UGC Studio. It's based on my previous code, and I just wondering like I still have like 100% of limit from GPT 5.5 last night, and I want to give it my previous code and just give the prompt for the codecs to make it like a web UI, and then I think it's turned out pretty good. So let's try to use it today. I am already like launched the Capy into Play Store and iOS like already 1 month, and we got 2 sales, but we don't really marketing it right now, and I want to push it using a TikTok video UGC. We will make a lot of video, like mass production of a lot of video about hook and demo everywhere, and a lot of video from avatar generation, and then we just put our demo after avatar generation hook, and we will see lah how it goes. Is it will bring a lot of traffic or not into the Capy. Let's see, guys. And by the way, guys, you know what, my bike is in the bike shop, so I need to use my old bike that I'm already like abandoned it like 2 weeks, 1 month, I'm not mistaken. Let's see, let's try to use this bike again. This tool is killer, bro. You'll love to buy this one. Ooh, let's see the view, guys. Really nice. Play. Wow. Bang, mana jadi beli nasi situ? Alah.